Breaking orbit, SpaceX's Starship rocket failure explained. In the world of space exploration, success is often built on failure. SpaceX's Starship rocket is no exception. Last week, Starship's voyage ended abruptly, a few minutes into its flight. Unprecedented, yes, but equally illuminating. Although the rocket failed to maintain its flight, it provided valuable data. Now, SpaceX can unravel the issues and improve future missions. SpaceX's founder, Elon Musk, is no stranger to setbacks. He sees them as stepping stones to ultimate success. His team of engineers is already dissecting the flight data, fine-tuning the Starship to aim higher and farther than before. At SpaceX, failure isn't the end. It's just a pit stop on the road to conquering space. Stay tuned for the next launch.